Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, Avalanche, and we're also going to talk about how me being a technical analysis trader, and guys, I'm not a financial advisor, everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only, but me being a very accurate technical analysis trader, we always try to predict the future, right? So I just want to give you some examples because we talked about a moon chart yesterday, right? And I had all this drawn up. This was drawn up a long time ago, the bump and run, and then now we're getting our retest. And I want to show you a quick video. This was back and this is back in November, okay, November 23rd. So if this does come back down, okay, and retest this, but not fall under my trend and go, then we could be looking at a huge move for Bitcoin. Okay, we do not want to see it falling back under my trend line here. There could be that could get ugly, and then we could really drop. But if we get a bounce off of here and it does go down further to about 47,000 or 46,800 area, then yeah, we could. You got to remember, guys, so it played out a little bit farther than expected. So it went down a little bit more than we expected because it did go just a little bit. It took a little bit longer to develop than I thought. But this was the area where I was looking for the bounce. This was back in November, right? But now I want to show you guys something really crazy. And this is what good technical analysis traders do. We predict the future so we can get ahead of the game. Just like we were buying SHIB and no one even knew what we were talking. SHIB was that people didn't even know what it was. They're asking me what was SHIB in the comments. So, we try to get in and try to do these things. We're buying, all these dips. Matic, people didn't know what Matic was. And I have only had this channel for like 5-6 months now. So I'm going to go back to like one of my earlier videos. This was June 19th, and I'm just going to play a little clip for you guys. How we predicted all this a long time ago, all the way back in June. Okay? So we're going to look at the bump and run, right? Because we have these bump and run patterns. So now what do we see here? All right, we can draw a line from here to the top. We got our touch point at the top. We're going to go to 30. We're going to go to about right here. Okay. Now, what needs to happen? This head and shoulders plays out, guys. Okay. We can get the bump and run reversal. Okay. This plays out and we can go up here, retest, and boom. I'm talking, we can get the bump and run reversal like we did all on every single one of these, right? We're setting up for the big one, the big bump and run reversal. So let's see if this head and shoulders plays out. If you guys notice, you guys could have read the text. Well, here's the beauty of it, guys. All that, look, so this was back here. We were doing the video. Okay. So we got the bump and run. We got the retest. We got the 69,000 target. We're now getting the retest that I drew up in the video. Okay. And now we're going to see if we get this move here, guys. This is the move that we were talking about right here. Well, actually, we already got the bounce right here. So let's see if now we can start to work our way up to the upside and start to create all-time new highs. Because we were expecting all this to happen. I mean, guys, look at this. Guys, we're talking all the way back here is when I made this video. Look at this. All the way back here. Everything we talked about is now playing out. Okay? All the way now at the end of December. Okay? So, or middle of December, let's say. So, this is when I always tell you guys, the good thing about technical analysis, you should always be prepared, never be shocked. When I say, guys, we're going to trade sideways here, that's what we did. When I say, hey, guys, we're going to have a good weekend here, that's what we did. When I said, hey, guys, we might have a pullback because they're going to start the FUD, because I said, hey, we're going to get that sell-off at 69,000, and then they're going to do all the FUD storms and write bad articles, and the Fed's going to do this and that. Then they're going to sell. Hey, and then they're going to buy in our areas. Okay? Then they bought in our areas. They sold, shorted, bought the dip. Everything that I've been talking about since, guys, it's unbelievable how this is such an easy game. But if you know the game, this is such an easy game. But a lot of people make it so difficult, guys. This is not difficult. It's all about staying calm and understanding how everything is played. Okay, we are playing this exactly how the institutions are playing it. Okay, so now let's see. I don't have it on this chart because we drew it up here. I know exactly where it is. If you guys want, I'll draw it up because I had to do all new charts. I don't know if some of you guys are new to my channel. Like I said, I've only had this channel for about what 7 months, maybe 6 months, something like that. So it hasn't been that long. That was one of my early videos when I first started the channel. So, but guys, I had it drawn up. All it is this right here. I'll draw it up for you guys real quick. It's just a bump and run, but we can draw it up here. I had it on my old chart, but I had to do all new charts because when they updated everything, everything had to get updated. So we had something like this. I'll just make it easy. It came down to this area here, but we kind of had it going with a trend and everything, going up like this. This is kind of half-assed, but we're going to do it something like this here. Boom, bump and run. Okay. So that's what we had. And now we're getting this perfect. We're getting the retest. Guys, I'm telling you right now, maybe a little bit more sideways, maybe coming out of this move and even coming out of this little trend, we might even trade a little sideways because what happens on bump and runs is we will trade sideways for a little bit. Okay. This is very important, guys. This is going to dictate a lot of things that happen here. So we're getting the bounce where we talked about, or we predicted a long time ago. Everything's playing out. Now, we could come out of here, trade a little sideways for a little bit longer, then the move is going to happen. It's called consolidation. We're going to trade sideways for a little bit, then the move is going to happen. So, guys, maybe into late December or even early or January into even early February. But we're going to see some sideways here. Then the move's going to happen. Okay? So we got to be patient. Could it happen a little faster? Yeah, it depends if there's some kind of news. But the point is we were preparing for this all the way back here, guys, when we were hitting the lows of the year. We were hitting the lows of the year. We were preparing for these moves already. This is why it's very, very important to watch my channel, sub to my channel, guys, because here's what it is. I don't have to do these videos. I'm not doing this for money. I'm taking my own time. It's 10 o'clock at night, guys. I had to do some family things tonight. So I got home late. I'm doing this video, guys, just for you. I'm doing this video for you guys. I'm not doing this for money in the future. I'm not doing it for fame. I'm not doing it for anything. I plan on helping kids in need. Kids that need things. I want to be able to help kids, and that's why I'm doing this channel. Whatever money I get is going to go to kids. So get me to 1,000 subs. Let's go live. I'll help you guys out, and let's do this. But guys, this is what we talk about on my channel. Predicting the future. Ethereum, okay, looking good. So I just wanted to clear that up because someone wanted me to bring up a video from Meet Kevin. Guys, he's done so many, and it was a 3-month span. I tried to look for the videos, but there's so many of them. I didn't want to waste my time with it. I'm just going to be honest with you. But, hey, I watched it. It doesn't matter. We hit the $69,000 target. It also came in my fib area as well that I had drew up in my old video. So either way, we were looking at 69. So I just think it's pretty funny how that story came about. But anyways, this is what we're looking for, guys. This is what we're looking for. This is everything we had planned all the way back here. This is none of this is. I mean, we even had the 69 target, guys. We even had that target perfect as the high before the sell-off would begin. A huge sell-off would begin. And then maybe we could get the retest down here. Perfect. So, this is why, sometimes I get a little bit hyped up because, I in my mind, everybody's been watching my channel for a while. But then I realized, there's a lot of new subs that haven't seen my channel. So I have to just go back and do a retake to let everybody know, like, hey, guys, this is something that I prepared for. If you watch my channel from day one, the guys that have been here forever, and I see some of you guys in the comments, you guys prepared for this move because we've been talking about this move. So this is what we're looking at. Everything's working out perfect. What I want to see is a little bit more sideways. Even this could happen. There's still some uncertainty in the market, but as long as we stay above, don't close under this trend. We can wick it as long as we don't get a daily and then get rejected here like this. That's all I care about. So I would really like to stay above 43,000. Okay. So I want to stay above 43,000. Above 43,000, it's looking good. And then if we can get back above like 54, that would look excellent as well. Or even, I mean, you could say 53 a little bit. I'd go, 53,900, but let's just go with 54. And then we get above 59.60. This thing's really going to start looking good. Okay. So that's for Bitcoin. I know I spent a lot of time on it, but Bitcoin runs the market, guys. So you guys understand that Bitcoin goes down, all your altcoins go down. Everything will just looks bad, all right? So Ethereum getting a nice bounce, guys. We had our fib area. We were actually, what did I have? We were about $20 off this fib here. Not bad, actually. Wow, it almost hit my bottom fib. Actually, no, we were only about. I'm sorry, I take that back. We were about $7 off. So that's not bad. Listen, when it comes to Bitcoin, it's really Bitcoin and Ethereum are really hard to hit to the dollar. We've done it numerous times, like I said in yesterday's video, but it's not easy to do. So, like I said, I always front run my moves. So if you try to get filled here, most likely you probably got filled at this 37 anyways. So, like I'm holding this long right now. So for me, there's no panic for me. Bitcoin, Ethereum, I got long positions in. Matic, I've been trading forever, but I do have a long position in Matic as well. I took a long on it, actually way back here because I talked about, hey, I've been trading it all through here, making these huge 200% gains and all these beautiful gains, and we were trading it on my channel early. But then I said, I really like Matic. I decided to go long. I told you guys that's what I was doing around this $1.03 area. I did the same thing with Cardano back here, but then I told you guys I sold it at 280. I wasn't liking it under 280. And you could see right here my touch points. I actually had this in my old chart. Some of you guys follow me know that I said, hey guys, I'm out at 280. And I was out at 280 from $1. So that was a good, nice trade. Of course, you know about the SHIB and everything else, but we've been killing it on my channel. So Matic, what are we looking at right now? Let's go to the daily real quick. I'm trying to look at the bigger time frames. Let's see if we get a new high here coming in around $2.25. I would like to see that. But if that doesn't happen, not a big deal. As long as we stay above, what I don't want to see is I don't want to see us make a new low here on this candle. So as long as we stay above 182 to 180, Matic's looking good. Cardano, guys, we just rode my 120. Look at this. Rode the 120. Couldn't get that 4-hour candle closing above that 131. We wicked it, but then we got rejected. And that's what I want to see, a close above this. And I want to see this 120 to 121 area hold up. And I would like to see midterm even 125 hold up. 124, 125. Okay. Just maybe we get a bounce there, and then we can get back above and get a 4-hour candle closing above this 132 area. Okay. How much time do I have? I know I've been ranting for a while here. Solana, guys, Solana is looking very, very healthy. I talked about, look, guys, me personally, I sold it at this area here, okay, at 243. And then I bought, and I told you guys I was buying this. I said, guys, this is unbelievable opportunity. I was even telling you guys yesterday, just like when I was buying SHIB, guys, I'm buying back into Solana, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But I'm telling you where I'm buying, and we're buying the bottoms. And now look, I said I would like to get it closing above this 176, and now it's acting as support. Guys, we hit my 185 target to the dollar. What more can I do on my channel? Make sure you guys sub to my channel. I feel like I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I feel like I have the best TA channel on YouTube, and I feel like I'm not getting the love, and I'm getting frustrated because I'm not doing this for myself. I'm doing it to help you guys, to help others, and I want to see subs to know that I'm helping a lot of people, and that's what I'm trying to do here on YouTube. So make sure you guys sub, share, whatever. But guys, I'm giving you these targets. I'm telling you where I'm buying it. I'm telling you where, hey, if you want to day trade it, you could sell it. That was a 25% move in 2 days. I mean, let's, give us the love. So now I want to see above 185. I'd like to see a 4-hour candle closing above there. And I would like to just see this 169, 170 area hold as support. If not, I don't want to see a new low. I don't want to see us going back under 156. Okay, I don't think that's going to happen though, but that's just worst case scenario right now. Beautiful, beautiful move here. Looking on SHIB. If we can break this area where exactly my line where we got rejected, come on, guys. We're getting the bounce here in yesterday's video, right? Boom. Now, you guys know, look at this. We got the bounce. We got the rejection. Just taking that trade alone. Just trading. Say you just traded it. That's 9% right there, guys. Okay. Now I'm buying in this area and I'm going long. I got some at 32. I'm going long after we made huge gains. I'm just checking to see how much time I have. After we made huge gains and we were buying it we were loading the boats all the way back here and stuff. So you guys know what I'm talking about. You guys, follow my channel. Make sure you guys, write some comments down there. Let everybody know that, hey, what you guys did. You guys made some good deals, and we're still going here. So we had our touch point here. I would like to get us above 35.60, 36, get a 4-hour candle closing, and then I want to see us push against this trend at 37 and 38 and maybe break this trend. Guys, when we break this trend, this is going to be a freaking huge move to the upside. I'm just letting you know that I will add more to my position if this goes the way I think it's going to go. And it's going to go something like this. Boom, 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 retest, and then boom, and then maybe even push to all-time high. I didn't mean to write this one, but at least get to this area, and that's a nice percentage, okay? Avalanche, come on, guys. Look what it did. It bounced off my target that I talked about all the way back here. We got to reject, hit our perfect target at 96, got to 75, bounced off to 75, bounced off my line here at 85, and now we're breaking trend, and this thing is looking good. Look at the volume coming in, guys. How much time do I have? I have 17 minutes. This is, unbelievable. And guys, if you would have bought it, and I'm not a financial advisor, everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But look at this move. Just buying what I said. Hey guys, 75, alpha 75. That's a 43% move. And this is on the 4-hour. What was this on the daily? In 3 days. Not even 2 days and a couple hours, because the new candle, this candle is only a couple hours old. Now, what I want to see is this daily hold trend. We could come back down and test it and then go back higher, but I don't want to see us closing underneath this trend and then falling. I want to see us keep going up in this trend, okay? So right now, where's potential rejection points? Here, 113 to 114 area. All right, then I'm looking at the 119 and 121. And that's what I'm looking at. But guys, I really like this. I think there's more to it. Look at this on the daily. Everything. This is going to go higher, guys, in my opinion. Even if it comes down, trades a little sideways, and then goes, it's going higher. That's just what it is. And you know what? I think that's it for tonight's video. We talked about Solana. We talked about Cardano, Matic, Ethereum. Ethereum's looking good. I want to see Ethereum get a 4-hour or daily candle closing above. I would like to see it above this 40,030 area. This is a nice area to close above. But I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Listen, make sure you guys sub to my channel here, because I feel like I'm not getting any subs here, and people are, liking and watching and whatever. But guys, come on, show me some love here. Listen, I'm going to show you love by keep making these videos. You guys show me love by sharing it, getting me out there. So I want to help people. This is what I'm doing. I'm not doing this for myself. I don't need money. I'm doing this for other people. So listen, much love to you guys. I appreciate you watching, and peace out.